Hello, in this video we are going to look at how to run both the AR and the AP aging reports. Before we get started, just a quick metrics. So on the controller dashboard, you'll see information both about the AR and the AP side of the organization. Here you can see some certain numbers such as the AR that's overdue, the total AR, as well as the total AP and the AP overdue. Should you want to just see these at a quick glance, you can always click into them and you can see the metrics behind the number that you're seeing. So here is just going to be the vendor summary. And again, we have the different amounts and the balance due and what's overdue right here. Now, just a couple things here. So what you'll see on the controller dashboard is going to be a summation here on the total AP. And then here is going to be the total overdue AP. Now, these are both going to be the same for right now, but these will come from the amount columns right here for the amount and then the overdue. Now, there are the actual aging reports inside of the system that we'll look at right now. So if we go to our payables workspace, and if we take a look at our AP aging, what you'll see here is this is going to be more of a formalized standard report produced from Acumatica. So the report format will start with the detailed. So there's a few different options that we can select. We can select this for a particular company or branch should we have multiple inside of our organization. If there's a specific vendor class you wanted to run this by, or a specific vendor, you could run this by. And then if you wanted to run this for a particular age as of date, you could click in here and select whatever date you would like to have. Now, when I go ahead and click this run report, this will take just a moment to pull in all of the open AP. And here we have the different information for the vendors. So we have the specific vendor, and then we have any of the open bills or open documents applied to that vendor. So as we see here, this is a total of 15 pages. So it's quite a few pages in this instance. And then if we wanted to, we could always click in to any of the blue hyperlinks that we have to take a look at the vendor itself. So if we click into the blue hyperlink to see the vendor, this will show us the vendor right here. And then we have some different balances on this vendor. Should we want to click into a specific bill? So let's say we're looking at our AP aging report and we want to see what this bill number 6024 was. We can click into this bill and this will take us directly into that record and allow us to see all the information from the specific bill. Let's say we needed to go back and see what PO this was associated with or a PO receipt. We could always see that right here just from one click on the aging report. At the bottom of each vendor, you'll see the totals. So we'll have the total from the vendors. And then if we take a look at our last page, what you'll see is so we have the vendor total for this last vendor. And right below that, we have our company total right here. If you needed to, you could print or email this report, as well as you could export it either to Excel or to a PDF should you need to. That will give you the ability, especially in Excel, to manipulate any sort of records that you might need or do whatever sort of data transformation you might need to be able to see your report. Next, we have the receivables. So again, back on the controller dashboard, we have the AR side on the left here for our receivables. And if we go to our receivables workspace, we will have the AR aging under reports. We can go ahead and we can click this AR aging. And this will give us the same style of parameters. So what we looked at on the AP side before was the detailed. But for the AR aging here, we'll select the summary this time. Again, if we wanted to select this for a particular company branch, we would do that here. If we wanted a specific customer class or a specific customer, we could select the parameters right here. And then a certain age as of date, we would select that right here. I'm going to go ahead and click Run Report. And once I do this, what you'll notice is this is going to bring in the sums of each individual customer. So before, where we saw on the AP side, the summary, the detailed with all the different bills, here we're seeing the summary of all of the customers. So here we just have a total of 2 pages. And should we want to click into one of these customers, we certainly could. And then if we take a look at our last page here for page 2, we have our company total right at the bottom. Now, let's say this time we wanted to run it for detailed. We could run the detailed report. And this time it's going to give us each individual invoice that's associated with this aging report. Here, instead of the 2 pages that we had on the summary, we have all 12 pages for a full list of our AR aging report. Again, if you wanted to print this, if you wanted to email it, or if you wanted to export it, you could certainly do that right here. Again, there are different ways that you can see the aging. You can look at it either the receivables and run the formal report, or if you would like just a quick glance at it, you could see that on the controller dashboard here. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.